guide what is Bitcoin and how does it work. When the richest person in the world gives his support to a virtual currency, you know it's big business. Elon Musk has told users of an online social media app that he thinks the virtual currency Bitcoin is a good thing. His comments resulted in the value of Bitcoin rising significantly, so much so that a singular Bitcoin went from being worth in March last year to more than 27,000 euro now. As talk of the currency has gone global, the Bank of Singapore has suggested that the 12-year-old currency could replace gold as its store of value. However, in October, the head of the Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, warned about the unpredictability of Bitcoin, saying it makes him very nervous. With all this talk, you are probably wondering what is Bitcoin and how does it all work. Here's everything you need to know. What is Bitcoin? Watch Asheshi's report on the rise of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or a digital currency, it's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services. But not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have banned it altogether. However, some companies are beginning to buy into its growing influence. In October last year, for example, the online payment service PayPal announced that it would be allowing its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. The physically Bitcoin you see in photos are a novelty, novelty, they would be worthless without the private codes printed inside them. How does Bitcoin works? A Bitcoin wallet app on a smartphone each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoin or part of one to your digital wallet. And you can send Bitcoin to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public listed called the blockchain. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This mark makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoin to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies or undoing transactions. How do people get Bitcoins? There are three main ways people get Bitcoins. You can buy Bitcoin using real money. You can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoins. Or they can be created using a computer. How are new Bitcoins created? People build special computer to generate Bitcoins. In order for the Bitcoin system to work, people can make their computer process transaction of everybody. The computers are made to work out incredibly difficult sums. Occasionally, they are rewarded with a Bitcoin for the owner to keep. People set up powerful computers just to try and get Bitcoin. This is called mining. But the sums are becoming more and more difficult to stop to many Bitcoins being generated. If you started mining now, it could be years before you got a single Bitcoin. You could end up spending more money on electricity for your computer than the Bitcoin would be worth. Why are Bitcoin valuable? Bitcoins are valuable simply because people believe they are. There are lots of things other than money which we consider valuable, like gold and diamonds. To Aztecs used coca beans as money. Bitcoins are valuable because people are willing to exchange them for real goods and services and salmon and even cash. What do people want Bitcoins? Why do people want Bitcoin? Some people like the fact that Bitcoin is not controlled by the government of banks. People can also spend their Bitcoin fairly anonymously, although all transactions are recorded. Nobody would know which account number was yours unless you told them. Try. In an online chat with social media user in January 2021, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, said he was a big supporter of Bitcoin. He even went as far as to change his Twitter bio to Bitcoin. He has repeatedly shown his support to online currencies in recent years and caused major movements in their values due to his own personal wealth and influence. The particular endorsement led to the value of Bitcoin to rise significantly. It is secure. Every transaction is recorded publicly, so it's very difficult to copy Bitcoin, make fake ones or spend ones you do not own. It is possible to lose your Bitcoin wallet or delete your Bitcoin and lose them forever. There have also been thefts from websites that let you store your Bitcoins remotely. The value of Bitcoins has gone up and down over the years since it was created in 2009. And some people do not think it's safe to turn your real money into Bitcoins. This concern was expressed by the head of the Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, in October 2020.